It is important some relief is available to farmers who are experiencing difficulties in these areas, and that penalties are not imposed, Mr. Cooney said. Meanwhile, the IFA has warned that 350,000 tons of straw is in danger of being lost due to the wet weather. This equates to more than 2 million round 4x4 bales of straw. Liam Dunn of the IFA said that around 35 pc of the straw crop had yet to be baled, but both contractors and farmers were too busy cutting remaining crops to even consider pulling out balers. In some instances, unfit straw crops have been baled in order to clear fields so that winter cereals could be sown. Contractors admit that much of the straw crop could yet be salvaged, but around 10 days of fine weather is urgently required. Mr. Dunn maintained that 10,000 acre of spring wheat and spring barley remain to be cut in the Midlands, East Connacht and Donegal. Around 30 pc of the cereals harvest has still to be completed in Donegal, while substantial acreages of crops have to be cut in North Tipperary, Offaly, Westmeath and North Meath. Galway contractor Martin Fleming said a lot of cereals had still to be cut in East Galway and South Roscommon. In addition, Mr. Fleming said he had up to 50 customers waiting to harvest second-cut silage. He admitted that getting the weather to cut and bale these crops could be a big problem. Meanwhile, straw traders in the east of the country claim it is becoming increasingly difficult to source supplies. The delivered price of 8x4x3 bales of wheaten and barley straw has jumped from €42 to €50 bale as a result of the shortages, with oilseed rape straw making €45 bale. Strong demand is also reported for sugar beet and fodder beet, with prices of around €40t out of the yard, or €60t delivered to the north being quoted. Serious shortages of fodder are being reported among farmers in Northern Ireland. Indo-farming.